Hi Amazon. This is a look at some heavy-duty automatic wire stripper. It'll strip 10 to 18 gauge in one movement with high accuracy. It's heavy-duty. They're very durable. They're very smooth action. As you can see, this is where the wire gauge is, and it opens up nice and wide. Get your wire in there, and when you close down on it, it holds it and makes a perfect strip. You get a very accurate strip, and it won't damage your wire. And it's got just a great spring action. You hear that snap? Just very, very precise. Great set of wire strippers. Really love these, and I highly recommend them.